disassembly line. Waterman Expert III, modern version. Quite simple. If it has a converter, don't bother. You can't really take those apart. So, pen itself, uncap, unscrew barrel, post for easy storage, put away. Here you got a section. Section, 3 parts. Section, feed, nib. How to take them out. Fairly simple, although the first time can be a little difficult. Use a bit of rubber grippy material. Sold on various websites. sbrebrown.com. Now, where to get it? Exactly. I mean, how to do it. Very simple. Put it like this. Put that in the crook of your finger. Put your thumb on top. Give it a pull. No twisting. Just pulling. If you twist it, you may break the feed. Just pull it out. There you go. Nib lifts off. Feed can easily be cleaned this way. Very, very simple. Now, as you can see, section, very specific shape. Feed and nib only fit in one way. Feed is flat at the bottom, won't roll away. Section has a little hole, flat at the bottom. Obviously, the two match up. Now, when you're done cleaning, how do you put it back together? Very simple. There's a little sort of a little thing sticking out there, a little groove in the feed. Put that right in there, slips in place. If it doesn't slip in place, it's not in on the correct position. Yeah, it should easily slip in place. Nib should of course lie flush with the feed. Once you got that, back in the crook of your finger, make sure the flat bit's aligned with the flat bit in the section. Push it all the way in, all you need to do. No twisting because of the shape of the groove inside the section. Screw the cap back on, the barrel back on, cap it, put it down, sit back, enjoy yourself some haggis.
Bye!